Alright, in Booger's Dungeon, we're going to be putting some new RAM, going from 8 gigabytes to 16 gigabytes in my Dell 3040. We'll see how much of an improvement it'll make in gaming. The Dell 3040 requires DDR3L. L is in low voltage. Will not. I found out it won't boot up on just regular DDR3. So we're gonna get into it and replace the RAM here quick. It's pretty simple. 2 thumb screws on the back of the case. Loosen them up. Get a little tug. Slides right off. Next, remove the front cover. 3 little clips. Swings right off. So what I'm gonna do is lay her down here. Open up your case. Let's see where do it where you guys can see here. Let me see if it's kind of hard. Hard to get in there. Light on this stuff right here. Little white clips. Push them down. Comes right out. Right out. There's a short side and a long side. Remember looking in there when you gotta go back in. Open up our new RAM. DDR3L. CL11 works good. Pretty much Dell likes CL11 on their timing. You probably won't be able to see that, but CL11 DDR3L. 1600 2 times 8 for 16 gigawatts. I mean gigawatts or gigabytes. Don't do that. But if you do, it still will hopefully work. Short side is up on 3040 here. Laying up in there. Press down firm on each side so it clicks a little bit. Make sure these clips are up. Same thing with the second stick. Snaps. And close her back up and reverse it. When you boot it up, it should recognize the RAM quantity has changed, and it'll require you to hit the F1 button, and off you should go if it works. If you get a blinking yellow light, your RAM's not right, or the RAM's not seated right. So pull it back out, try seating it again, see what happens. I'm off to see how much better it plays with 16 gigabytes instead of 8. Might have helped you, might have not, whatever. I'm bored in the basement tonight, so that's it. We're out of here.